People think the wilderness is quiet, but that's a dangerous misconception. In 2018, a group of seasoned hikers ventured deep into a remote national forest. They were in the Pacific Northwest, with no roads, no cell service, miles from civilization. One night, as they gathered around the fire, one hiker suddenly froze. He swore he heard his name whispered from the trees. They laughed it off until another hiker heard their own name echoing from a different direction. Then it happened again and again. The voices were eerily human, mimicking their tones but slightly delayed. It was as if something was learning to speak. When one hiker shined a flashlight toward the sound, there was nothing. No footsteps, no movement, just an oppressive darkness. The next morning, they discovered boot prints circling their campsite, but they stopped abruptly at the tree line, with no animal tracks or signs of anyone leaving. Park rangers later revealed this wasn't an isolated incident. Multiple hikers had reported the same chilling phenomenon, voices calling their names. These voices came from places no one could be. To this day, no official explanation exists. The wilderness holds its secrets close, and some whispers are best left unheard.